Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. So today, Huawei held a new product launch conference and unleashed a number of eye-catching products. One of these is the Huawei Freebuds 4 wireless headset. It is a top-end product which is ready to beat any rival. The Huawei Freebuds 4 pays more attention to wearing comfort. It adapts an ergonomic simulation design solution. Also, this headset optimizes a new semi-in-ear design based on a simulation platform and adapts 10,000 plus 3D real human ear models. Apart from the earphones, the charging case of the Huawei Freebuds 4 has also been carefully designed. It uses the same pure circular design style as the previous generation. Due to the exquisite detail processing, the volume of the headset is reduced by 6.3% and the weight by 20.8%. It also supports fast charging. The headset can play music for 14 hours after charging for 30 minutes only. In terms of function, the Huawei Freebuds 4 supports a newly upgraded semi-open active noise reduction 2.0 technology. There is a dual microphone hybrid noise reduction with a noise reduction depth of up to 25 decibel. It allows the microphone to more accurately pick up ambient noise and make the noise reduction wave generated by the headset more accurate. It is more sensitive to pick up the residual noise in the ear to achieve the more accurate elimination of the reverse acoustic noise. There is another interesting feature. The Huawei Freebuds 4 supports adaptive ear noise reduction or AEM and adaptive matching algorithms. When the user turns on noise reduction, the headset will automatically detect the user's ear type and wearing condition to match the best noise reduction parameters. It can automatically select the current-based noise reduction parameters according to different human ears or wearing conditions to achieve the best noise reduction experience. As for sound quality, the Huawei Freebuds 4 uses a low-frequency enhancement engine and a 14.3mm diameter large moving coil unit to achieve a frequency response range of up to 40 kHz. Also, the high-sensitivity microphone can record high-fidelity sound with a sampling rate of up to 48 kHz, preserving the rich details of the sound. The Huawei Freebuds 4 also continues the advantages of full scenario devices dual connection, meaning it supports dual antenna or dual connectivity. It can realize the connection pop-up function on Huawei smartphones, PCs, and other devices. The audio connection center can also display the last 10 connected devices, so with a single click you can switch between various devices. Huawei Freebuds 4 has 3 different colors, namely Frost Silver, Ceramic White, and Honey Red. They all cost 999 Chinese yuan or 155 US dollar and will go on sale on June 1st, 2021. So, what do you think guys of this new Huawei Freebuds 4? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel will definitely awesome. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.